Okay, new location, still in Flagstaff. And just look at this. Huh? Compared to the desert, I mean, that is just as sweet as it gets. I'm at a small grade school or something here. School's not in session, still summer. But look at those pines. It's beautiful country up here. Just smells so green. Wow. So we have GPS lock. Be a short flight today on this one. It's a short battery. I'm going to go with 7 minutes. Just because the air is thin. Mobius is running. Unlock the blades. Try and get a little closer to the trees, a little above the trees and fly. A picturesque shot here. Give it a try. We're going to keep it safe though, nothing stupid. Air is very thin up here, we got to be careful. Alright, let's fly. Alright, we're going to put it in GPS hold or stable mode. Let's go for this a little more altitude here. Take a look first. So roll. Away from downtown, but that should be pointed towards downtown. Don't worry about that. Not to see anything. These gorgeous green mountains. I mean, the green pine trees here in the mountains. A little bit. Yep, looking good up there. Got a minute 50 on my timer. Still got more battery, but I'm not gonna chance. Go up, get one last beautiful look here. Probably call it a day. High altitude look around here. Not too high, above the trees. Left turn. Yeah, thin air. This one cuts pretty good through it, I gotta say. All right, there's the timer. We're going to start bringing her in. Okay, well, I took it out of stable mode, put it back into manual for landing. Hard landing, but not that bad. In the grass here, soft. Didn't look too great. I was wide open on the throttle when she hit. Let's hope she's not too bad here. All right, there it is. I don't know, Bobby, you look better. Yeah, we got the gear broke again right there where it broke before. I got more gear coming from Cheerson or whoever the hell I ordered it from. The gear snapped off. Yeah, right at where it broke before, so at the weak spot. Alright, well, it was a hard landing, but not ridiculous. If the landing gear wouldn't have been weakened in the first place, it would have been better. But definitely the thin air, I couldn't get her slowed down in time. No question about it. Plus, she was rocking and rolling. Be interested to watch the tape.